The Museum Airshow Festival, a one-of-a-kind event courtesy of the Kenya Defence Forces, showcased local and international sky talent. And Chams Media was part of this entertaining event that took place at the Uhuru Gardens in Nairobi. Take a look.
Mwanajeshi mwenzake ambaye aliweza kupata majeraha vitani.
The Kenya Defence Forces displayed various skills used during their operations. The rescue team
wakiondoka tuweze kuongeza makofi tafadhali.
The rescue part, yeah, I think the last one, the way they handled the emergencies, medical emergencies and all that. I really enjoyed. Ilikuwa poa kabisa.
Green Commandos landing in their parachutes.
Anakuja kwa utaratibu kabisa mahali hapa. Tumpe makofi jump master.
And firefighting skills.
The pilot will establish the necessary line of attack or the part of the fire to be suppressed.
Local airlines also made an entrance to the show, among them Safari Link,
the largest passenger carrier by numbers out of Wilson Airport.
And not forgetting the pride of Africa, Kenya Airways, representing the international airlines.
KQ Embraer 190. Doesn't it look superb in our colors?
The Marksmen aerobatic team of 4 highly talented pilots based in South Africa stole the show.
Let's see. Oh!
Look at that! The memorable moment is the way the planes, they go up and they turn, they make all sorts of pattern. That's what I really love so much.
That was an adrenaline-filled show, and I hope you are entertained. Thank you for watching. My name is Lauren Anok, and remember to keep it Chams Media.